Okay, so today I'm doing backsplash here in the kitchen. We got our quartz set a couple days ago. I don't think I got a video of that. And we're doing this subway tile. We're doing 3 rows of the subway tile just up past the outlets. And because it's not in a bathroom or shower setting where, or a floor for that matter, to make it easy, using silicone on the back of each piece to put them on. Saves a lot of time, and it makes it so that it's not messy, easier to apply. And then I'll just regular grout it in between. Normally I snap a line here to set my first row, but because it's coming off the quartz, as long as it's pushed down tight, the stone is flat and it's a straight enough line. So cut around these outlets. It'll be 3 rows high, and it'll just be coming up to about here on the windows, and then it'll wrap around and it'll end before the range and pick up again here when there won't be any behind the range and hood in this house. So the amount I put on, let me do this one-handed. That's all you need, and it sticks nice and tight. You don't want to use construction adhesive because of the oils in it. It'll bleed through the tile. So as long as you're using a silicone, that's what they use to install, like the countertops, that's what they use to glue it down, the countertop companies. It doesn't have a problem working with that, and it won't bleed through. Another thing to consider when you're putting these backsplash in, if it's a shorter run, you can make a center line on the cabinet on where the middle is, and then work each direction from there so that the cut on that side and the cut on that side match each other. This is a long enough run that it doesn't really matter. So I just started with a full piece. I'm going to work into my corner and put my cut in the corner. I'll do the same thing here, full piece with my cut in the corner, and it saves on having to buy trim or something for the edge, so it's still a factory piece on the edge. On a shorter run though, it might be nice to match those cuts so that they don't look lopsided like in a shower or something. The backsplash done in here. Time to move into the bathroom. So in here it's pretty simple. I have a pretty small vanity with a quartz top, and I have 2 pieces of this tile still. It matches the quartz top really well. It's a gray, and they are roughly 11.5, 12 by 24, 23.5 is what they measure. So in order to be high enough to be above my outlet, I'm going to rip that down to about 7 inches. That'll give me 1 inch above my outlet. And a full piece, this is 24 inches wide to the edge of my countertop, and I will butt it into the right side, so it'll be within 1/4 of the edge, and 1 solid piece. I decided to do 1 solid here and 1 solid here because the floor, which you can't see here, it's that material, that accent material right there. It's very busy, and so I want to keep up here looking simple and elegant, because if not, it's just going to be really busy. So we'll see how it goes. I haven't even really held it up yet, so I'll put it up here and dry fit it, see how it looks, and we'll go from there. Okay, so there's the backsplash. Sink and faucets are just sitting there to kind of show the look. Obviously cover plate's not on or anything like that, it's just drying right now. So hung it in just a little bit so I could use the 24-inch piece. It's gonna look good. I think it's gonna look really nice. Contrasted against the white bowl, it highlights it. I think it matches well, and with the floor, I think it's gonna be really nice.